My name is Cameron Grant. I'm Deputy Head of School of Agriculture, Food and Wine for postgraduate matters. I teach undergraduate soil science, and I have postgraduates who study soils and soil water and try to figure out the relationships between water in soils and plant extraction. Yeah, what does it feel like to be part of a community of the largest concentration of agricultural scientists in the Southern Hemisphere at the Waite? It feels great. I rub shoulders with the several hundred of some of the world's best agricultural scientists, and this is a fairly competitive environment. The people I work with are always arguing for new ways to solve problems, and in that competitive environment it's great to see these people convince others that their arguments are good and that they should be funded. So it's terrific. Perhaps more importantly though are the nearly 1,000 students, both undergraduate and postgraduate students at the Waite. These are the people who are going to solve the big problems of today and, importantly, tomorrow. What does life impact mean to me? Let me give you an analogy. I'd like you to have a look at this hard, dry piece of clay soil. There's not much will grow in that. There's not much you can do with it, except perhaps throw it at me. But if I add some water to it, well, some of that water's pouring off, and it's still pretty hard. But if I keep adding water to it and keep adding water to it, it's going to change. It's going to change into this. If you have a look at this, what can we do with this thing which was hard and had no potential? We've added some water to it. Well, if I now spend a bit of time working with this, I can make it into something quite beautiful. And the analogy here is that some of life's problems are extremely hard. They really are. And the students we have at this university are like the water we add to this hard soil. And by adding water, which is effectively the trained minds of our students, we can actually make something quite beautiful. Now, it's going to take some time to make this piece of clay into something beautiful that you and I might want to put in our living rooms, but you can see here that we have a plant or a solution to a problem that is going to feed our world or grow plants on soils that are hostile and saline. This might be a new type of plant that we do through genetic engineering. It might be a plant that is able to grow in harsh soils. So this university offers people who have an inquiring mind the opportunity to be the water to solve some of the world's hard problems and have a creative solution. That's life impact.